Today I'm at one of Australia's leading European specialists, Harding Performance. Let's go inside and see what they get up to. Harding Performance is undoubtedly a household name when it comes to supplying parts for Euro cars here in Australia. Just look at what's going on here in the workshop. This place is full of really cool Euro cars. Right, so we're in the workshop now and there's this beautiful grey brand new GTI here, but the car we're looking at is this S3, which is just about to get a full Bendix Euro Plus upgrade. With the shear rate that OE pads and rotors wear, one of the biggest side effects is the amount of dust that gets on the wheels, a problem that Euro owners know all too well. Euro Plus solves this, being a low dust, low rotor wear, ceramic formulation braking solution. Euro Plus brakes are tested to stringent European product standards, ensuring you're opting for quality every time. For the mechanic doing the job, the Swift Fit coating means that the rotors don't need to be cleaned before going on. Along with the Euro Plus pad's titanium stripe technology, eliminating the need to bed in the brakes, this means faster install times all round. Okay, so the brake service is done, so let's take it for a test drive and see how the Euro Plus rotors and pads perform. Thanks to the high carbon metallurgy utilised in the Euro Plus rotors, you'll notice an improved level of stopping power under continuous heavy braking. Along with that, you'll find that noise dampening is drastically improved, making for a much comfier drive day to day. So next time you're up for new brakes, give Harding Performance a call and get yourself a set of Bendix Euro Plus.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.